One of the best things about South Florida is all the fun stuff you can do out in the water. Today, we're going to sail our boat out to Soldier Key out in Biscayne National Park. So here we are at Soldier Key, one of the northernmost keys in Biscayne Bay, just outside of Miami, and we're ready to have a boat drink. Can't be on a boat without a drink. Today we're going to make what we call a dark and stormy, which is just dark rum and Jamaican ginger beer. It's a lot more ginger-centric than your average ginger ale. It's got a lot more bite to it. You're going to love it. It's definitely a sailor's drink. Then we're also going to make what we call a John Daly, which is actually just an Arnold Palmer, which is lemonade and iced tea paired with vodka. So let's get started. Now keep in mind that you never want to take glass on a boat, so I've transferred my liquor into a portable container. Just make sure to label it so someone doesn't go and think it's water and then get a bad surprise. So let's do the rum and some ginger beer. Definitely got some serious ginger bite to it. For lack of utensils, I'll use my finger. Strong and refreshing. Now for round two, we're going to take our vodka and mix it with our Arnold Palmer mix. When you mix an Arnold Palmer with vodka, it turns into a John Daly, which is just a little golfing joke. If you Google John Daly, you'll see why that's funny. Better try this one to make sure it's okay. Now that we've got our boat drinks, it's time to tackle our sandwiches. I baked some frozen ciabatta bread this morning, toasted it up, and topped it with some Capicola ham, some herbed goat cheese, and some fresh veggies I grilled last night, which include squash, fennel, zucchini. You can get creative with this, whatever you really like. I paired that with some roasted red peppers and some arugula for an awesome, tasty sandwich that's really gonna hit the spot.